So today we are doing a hiking in one of the most beautiful and amazing areas of the Algarve. Welcome to Benagil and Praia da Marinha. It's a hike, beautiful trek that you should do with us in our tours. Praia da Marinha is an iconic beach near Lagoa. CNN highlight the amazing cliffside, and it is the favorite beach of Lonely Planet in the Algarve. In real life, the beach is even prettier than in pictures. This I can guarantee you. According to TripAdvisor, Praia da Marinha is one of the best beaches in the Algarve and one of the top things to see in the Algarve. Here, you can see also the M rock that becomes a heart. Near the beach on the right side, you can find a famous rock structure that looks like the letter M. This is called the M rock or the cathedral. This rock formation is one of the reasons why Praia da Marinha is so unique. During low tide, you can walk along the beach to see it. And if you are on the right position, you can take a picture on the shape of a heart. So just try it once you are here. It is so beautiful that we took it as one of the top 12 things to see in Portugal. When you start walking in Praia da Marinha, you can go till Benagil beach. Nearby, you have the amazing caves, the most famous caves in the Algarve. In Benagil, you can see eroded rocks typical of karstic landscapes, such as caves or sinkholes cut into the cliff's face. Make sure you get the best of this place with our amazing private tour, Hanging Valleys Full Day Tour. Our tour includes around 6 kilometers walking route, where you follow the Marinha Beach cliffs to the Valley Centenais, passing by Benagil Beach. Here you stop for a 3-hour stand-up paddle activity that allows you to visit some of the most beautiful caves in the area and also to enjoy the sea and the views. You will also have included a typical lunch in a small restaurant. It's a magical tour and one of the most impressive places in the world. So far, everyone that did this tour pointed with 5 out of 5 because it's great. Are you going to lose it? If you like our videos, don't forget to pass on our website and check all our available tours. In case you don't find something that you wish, just email us because we can tailor-made a specific holidays just for you.